Dear brothers and sisters, it is surprising thing about Judas's plan to betray Jesus is that the other disciples had no idea of it. How could they have lived so close to Jesus and been so blind to what was going on in his mind? First, our external words and actions may deceive others, but they will not deceive God. Second, the day will come when everyone will know what is in our heart, for it is law of human nature. What is in our heart will eventually usher forth into action. Do we really believe that God knows our innermost thoughts? What effect ought this to have on us? We might be able to deceive others through our actions, but what is in our heart and mind is seen through our action. Even the reflection of God and God's ways, we can see it in our lives only through our action, not by just praying and doing something else like Judas. Judas could not forgive himself. He did not know that God knew his thoughts and were his thoughts in his mind and heart. He tried to be like God. He thought Jesus would save us if he sold him, betrayed him to his enemies. But it was not so. And so many times we ourselves do not forgive ourselves. We do not forgive our friend. Many times when a friend betrays us, what do? We punish ourselves by not forgiving him or her. And that's what happened to Judas. He finally killed himself, did suicide. Instead of asking forgiveness, instead of saying sorry for what he had done, he could not, because the evil made him feel proud, made him feel that he is like God, that he could betray God. He could not take that. If he had felt sorry and be humble enough to ask God's pardon, he would have lived the eternal life which God has promised him.